Hi YouTube, it's Yolanda. Do y'all know that people are hearing trumpet sounds coming from the sky? And the crazy thing is it's happening all over the world, not just one certain area. And they start in March of 2011. And nobody knows what they are. And they're still happening. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about.
There's been a lot of buzz over the last few weeks about strange sounds being heard in the atmosphere. People around the world and here at home have reported hearing some bizarre noises. The latest were recorded in the Battlefords last weekend.
Mad noises. So I'm gonna go see if I can get some of this on film. Sadie, you hear that? You hear that, Sadie? What is it? What's that noise, Sadie? Oi! What's that noise? Looks like it scared my dog off. What is it, Sid? What's that noise? Freaking the dog out. Shut up, Sid. Go inside. What do you think that is?
I don't know.
You ever heard anything like that before?
What if it is our Messiah sounding the alarm for us to get ready? What if it is an angel blowing the shofar?
Dude,
what's up?
Come with me outside, bro. Check this
What,
out,
dude?
Check this out, dude. You're gonna freak out. Watch. Hurry, real fast. Hurry. Dude, for
What is it?
Like the past 2 minutes, dude, since I was pulling up, man. Watch, check it out. Dude, it's like this loud sound outside, dude. It's like super loud.
What do you mean?
I don't know what it is, dude. Watch. Listen. It's like coming from the sky. Listen. Hear that?
Dude, what is that?
It's loud, huh? I don't know what it is. It's like coming. I don't know where it's coming from.
What is that?
You hear it?
You see anything in the sky?
No. I've been looking.
Dude, what is that? That is freaking weird.
The sound we're talking about is a nighttime nuisance, and it's taken over otherwise peaceful neighborhoods in Windsor.
It sounded like there was a deep resonating bass.
You think there's a tank moving in your neighborhood, or there's a truck idling outside your window.
That scripture say, and the 7 angels with they 7 trumpets prepared they self to sound.
It sounds like, oh no, in the sky.
Today it will be foul weather, and the sky will be red and lowering. And then he say, you hypocrites, you can discern the sky, but can you not discern the the sign of the times.
The first inning. That's a haunting sound, if we've ever heard one. 1 ball, no strikes. And the bunt is foul. The count is 1-1.
And what could that possibly be? Somebody shut the door.
It sounds supernatural.
In the days before the flood, they were eating and drinking, marrying and giving marriage, until the day that Noah entered into that ark.
Yet again, I can hear that echoing sound, that eerie sound again today. Today is Tuesday the 18th, 2017, of April 18th. And so I've been hearing this since like January on and off.
Now this is the sound of a shofar, and this is what they used in biblical days. Just what if that's him? Just what if that's the angels blowing their shofar? Your Father loves you more than anybody on this earth. I'm not talking about your earthly father. I'm talking about your Father in heaven who created you. He loves you more than anybody on this earth that you can think of. He says, I will never leave you, nor will I forsake you. I'm going to play this song for y'all. I hope y'all don't mind. This song right here touches my heart every time I hear it. And I hope y'all enjoy it. We used to play this song for them kids in the jail. And it touched them so much. So I'm going to black the first part out. And I'm going to show their face at the end. But I hope y'all enjoy it. Here it is.
Took me a while, but I'm finally here. So I just wanna testify, make it crystal clear.
Take the time.
I've been picked out to be picked on.
Oh no.
Struck the back out my friend's mouth. I've been beat down.
Hey,
Till I
turn my life around.
Seems like I always fall short of being worthy. I ain't good enough,
No.
but he still loves me.
Yeah.
I ain't no superstar, the spotlight ain't shining on me.
No, 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 no,
I ain't good enough,
no.
but he still loves me.
I used to wake up some days and wish I'd stayed asleep, 'cause I went to bed on top of the world. Today the world's on top of me, and everybody's got opinions. They've been in my position, and that breaks in my heart when I hear what they have to say about me. Yeah. Fool you. Yeah. But you still love me. I'm not perfect, no. I'm trying my best, but shunned by the world, and I don't succeed. But you love me.
If you ain't worthy, just raise your hands and let me know that you understand that we are
So blessed to be loved. Stand from him apart from anything, 'cause through his eyes we all look the same. What will we do without blame? We are not worthy, no. I ain't good enough. I ain't no superstar, but I wanna be for you, Lord. No, but you still love me.
This weird noise has been going on for about a minute now.
I'm not perfect, no. And yes, I do wrong. I ain't good enough. Shut by the world. I don't succeed. I ain't good enough. You know, child, play with me. Hey, if you understand, sing. The Lord's been so good to me. If you're shunned by the world. I ain't good enough, but the Lord still loves me. Raise your hands if you understand how he blesses you, 'cause he blessed me too. Even though I ain't worthy, you ain't worthy, he's there for you. No matter what I do, I ain't good enough, but the Lord still loves me.
That song right there, that song messes me up every time I hear it. And I sure hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Elisa. Just what if that's him? Just what if that's the angels blowing their shofar? People want to say it's harp. They want to say it's this. They want to say it's that. Why? Because they don't know what it is. They can't explain it. So then they come up with any excuse they can so the people will be at peace. Well, it's time to get yourself right. It ain't no more time left to play. Y'all, we have got to get right. We got to be ready, because that Messiah is on his way. Oh, yes, he on his way. All the signs are here. Just look around you. I love y'all, and I thank y'all so much for watching, and God bless you.